Okay, so it's day number 2, waking up to the incredible Chicago skyline. Not that you can see it ever when I go to shoot it, but it's back there and it looks awesome. What's not so awesome is the stupid hotel bathroom. I'm gonna explain why real quick. So when you come in here, see one person's trying to get ready, the stupid shower's all glass and it's connected. And then this is over here by itself. Why couldn't they have put the shower right there? Or something like that, or put this over there. It's just poorly laid out, and I'm not a big fan of the way they laid that out. Otherwise, awesome hotel room, especially when you look at the view that you get from here. I'm on my way to get breakfast, and then I'm gonna take some pictures. So this is pretty cool. Lots of breakfast lines. Free breakfast because of this convention. Okay, so I am up in the room. I just pulled the good old drone out. All right, I think this is the perfect spot to take off. There's a little spot set up right over here, and then we'll fly down over the top of this waterfall and get some shots. All right, we're all set up. Let's get it up there. So I'm flying it along, and all of a sudden it lost its GPS connection, and it went straight into this thing, way up here, like, well, maybe not that high. It was 3 or 4 of these up, and it lost connection, and it was just kind of hovering out there, and then all of a sudden it was just like gonna come home, and it just goes boom, and hits into the side of that thing. And I was like, oh, come on. I was staying away from those as best as possible because I was worried my drone would hit it. Now I'm gonna walk back to where I left the box for this thing and take it back off to make sure I didn't wreck the drone. But this is like the first outdoor crash it's ever had. I'm not happy about that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go explore up and down and maybe try and see if I can get up to the roof area. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, so I usually come in hotel stairwells for one reason, and that's because they don't expect you to, so they're usually freaking awesome like this one is, where it's like they have all these hidden things, and I have no idea where I'm gonna end up. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So here I am, in an entirely different wing. What is this? I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be here or not. I don't even know if the elevator services this floor. I have no idea what the heck this is. That's crazy. That explains why I didn't see it, and it looks so different. The hotel elevator doesn't service that. That was a staff-only area that the stairwell just opens up to. I have no idea what that is, but I sure hope I'm on Google Maps because of it. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Look at this. This is a 75-inch TV, and you just walk up to it, start writing. That's incredible. You just take your hand and write on it. On the way back to the city. Yay! So we found a Macy's at a big Chicago mall. It's not the New York Macy's, but we'll check it out. Why the heck? They have a Legoland in here, which isn't really all that exciting because it's one in downtown Disney, so, you know, just like being back at home. It's cool. They built all the buildings out of Legos, one being the Willis Tower, or as I still call it, the Sears Tower. So it's kind of raining right now. Everybody's got their umbrellas and everything, but it's nothing compared to a good old Florida rain, I'm telling you. This thing's really cool, whatever that's supposed to be. I like it. It's a light of some sort. I've never seen such a thing as a -1 floor. That's so stupid. So they just brought us a little bit of everything, and it all looks so good. Alright, this is supposed to be the best rated deep dish pizza in the whole town. Let's see if it lives up to that. It definitely lives up to it. The marinara sauce is incredible. The cheese is just perfect. I think the marinara sauce is what does it. That's what makes it better than yesterday's, but it's super good. I love it. Flash flood warning. Alright, I had to get their cookie because everything else was better than the last place. Let's see if this cookie is better than the other one. Alright, let's get a little bit of it all. Cookie, ice cream. Let's see how it is. It's really good. And it definitely beats Cheddar's. But I'm not sure if it beats yesterday's cookie. Yesterday's was amazing. Well, so far that place gets my rate for the best meal, or I should say so far that place gets my vote for the best meal I've had here in Chicago. We are at, wait for it, the Navy Pier. You can see this from the hotel room, and first of all, that building's cool. You can see this from our hotel room, and now we're just right up on it. This is Lake Michigan behind me. And here's Chicago from a different angle than you've seen it before in the vlog. Oh, and excuse the video quality, I've been stuck filming on my iPod Touch because my phone is literally dead, so it sucks. This place is awesome inside. It looks a lot like home in here. It doesn't feel like it though. It actually feels very comfortable. That's awesome. They're doing like some aerobics thing on this stage down there. But that's cool. Just looking at Chicago back from this way. And then there's the big Ferris wheel right there that you can see from the hotel room. Well, that's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna enjoy this view for a little bit and go to bed because I gotta get up early-ish tomorrow for the breakfast again. And yeah, so see you later.